Welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and I'm going to show you my Thistledew Creations Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal setup that I'm mailing for group number 1 in Canada. So I'll show you the journal, which I know you've already seen, but I'll show it to you one more time just to show you what I'm tucking inside of it to send. So you saw me collage the cover. I did add these embellishments after the video ended. And then there's the back. Inside the front cover, I put this notebook page that says, "Decorate and fill a pocket or page. Thanks for journaling with me, Judy." And I used the photo corners. And then I included a page of the photo corners for you guys to use as well, for my sisters to use. And then here's some of the pages. This is an altered book. So I tore out pages. I'll do a video of how I did this. I tore out pages in between 2 pages and then created pockets. So, and then this little envelope has avocado dyed paper to use in the journal. There's not enough for everyone to have a piece, so I would say use what you need and pass it on. And then here's some more different styles of pockets. And I do intend for you to decorate the plain parts and fill it with a tag or a journaling card or something. Whatever your specialty is. Coordinating papers to use in the journal. So this is all of the little coordinating papers that came out of the notebook that I deconstructed. I didn't deconstruct it for this purpose, but this is what I ended up using it for. So I thought if I include them, then all of my sisters can use them and decorate the book similar throughout. We'll all probably add our own little extra goodies, but that's okay. And then I put, take a stamp or a few, leave a stamp or a few. And then there's a whole bunch of used postage stamps in there. A lot of Canadian ones, but I did include some others as well. And then different pockets all the way through. It's all inked with vintage photo if anyone's wanting to coordinate with that. And then in the back, I've got, for use in the journal, these pages that were full width that didn't fit in your envelopes. I just put them in the back of the journal. And I tore these all out just without a tear ruler, just by hand, and inked them all both sides. So a fair bit of work went into those. So I hope that you all have fun playing with them. And then the vintage music paper, again, so that you can coordinate with this if you want to. And I've put, use a sheet, keep the scraps, leave enough for your sisters. So there's lots there. You may be able to, as long as you leave at least 1 page for every month after you. You know, just remember your sisters. Share. And then I did an envelope for each sister. I put their name on it. And it's just a little loot bag, treat bag. And they're all the same, so don't be peeking into your sister's treat bag. They're all the same. You'll all get them. So every person's going to have to pass these along for me. But as these get smaller, this will get bigger and heavier. So it'll all work out in the wash, I'm sure. And then for Trace, who is the person that I send to every month, I've got a little package of goodies that I'm going to send her. An altered jumbo playing card, a hidden paper clip. So I will actually clip that onto the card so she'll know what it is. And then just a little pocket with a pocket on the front that I did with this scrappy frame that I did. There's a video where I did these. And then I have a bunch of these bookmarks, so I thought I would send one along as well. So Trace is going to get spoiled. In my other group, Cheryl Wessel is going to get spoiled. It's all good. You guys deserve to be spoiled. put a couple pieces of paper in that paper clip because I couldn't close the envelope with it in there. So I'll do that. So she'll know it's a paper clip. Okay, so that's it. It's off and running. Everyone's been posting that they're sending their boxes and their journals out, and I'm really happy that everyone is having so much fun with it. There will be monthly reminders. I know that can get tiresome, but I expect some people will be straggling, so we need to keep everyone on track. So don't be annoyed with me every month on the 10th when I send out "Are you ready to ship yet?" I'm trying to give you 5 days in case you weren't ready yet. So thanks for watching today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.